have the full Sunday free today, and I think I'm gonna run some cute errands and then rearrange my office. I've been in a very creative space recently, which has been really nice, but then I actually need to like act on that creativity, and I've been putting that part off. So I'm hoping by doing this, it'll kind of inspire me to get some stuff done. Very cute. Got done with going to the yarn shop and getting coffee. They also wound my balls of yarn, which was so nice. I was genuinely trying to figure out or think of how I was going to do them by hand at home. So I'm actually really happy they were able to do that for me. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm back home. I stopped by the grocery store on my way back, but I wanted to reveal the yarn that I bought. Look how cute. So I bought this one. And then I bought this really pretty, I don't think it'll pick up well on camera. Hang on, let me block the light. Oh, it does pick up pretty well actually. So it's this really pretty like black, gray, purpley color, but I'm gonna try and do like some kind of striped thing. I keep giving myself like different projects with different skills for knitting that I want to practice. So I've made a scarf now for my boyfriend where I got to practice a lot of like cool patterning with knitting and purl to create like a cool texture. I made myself a purse, which was really fun, and I got to learn some cool skills through that. So now my next goal is using 2 different colors and doing like a really basic stripe pattern, which I think will be easy enough for my little beginner brain to comprehend. So we will try that. I also bought groceries because, so Jared, my boyfriend, has been out of town for almost 2.5 weeks now, and I've been really bad at cooking normal meals, and even though I normally love cooking. So I bought myself, girl, I keep forgetting how expensive eggs are getting. I keep forgetting until I go to the store and I'm like, what is this? I remember maybe like a year or 2 ago, Jared and I would go to Walmart and we would buy a 60 count box, like crate of eggs for $5. I feel like a grandma being like, back in my day, but it's okay. It wasn't crazy expensive. They're just more expensive than they used to be, which sign of the times, it is what it is. And then I think along with that, I might cook myself some pasta. I usually don't buy these, like the little, I'm forgetting the word, I'm like blanking. The little like pre-packaged pastas, but tonight we're going to, or maybe I'll do the tortellini. I'm not sure which one I'll do yet. We'll do one of them. Lily, no. You cannot be, you are not my sous chef. No sous chef. My cats have the zoomies. They're like running around and I can hear them making little like noises. I've had too much caffeine today and not enough like sustenance to actually eat. So I can feel like I got the caffeine shakes. My meal is done. I'm actually really proud of how it turned out. We got some ravioli, fried zucchini, and some oven baked chicken. I've officially started knitting the stripes, and I underestimated how much my sliced finger would inhibit me. It's making it a little bit difficult to do, but I'm doing my best and it's working. I've just started the second color of my yarn, which is pretty cute. We'll see how it goes from here. It's working pretty well so far. I'm kind of impressed with myself. Very pleased with how it's going. This one is also keeping me company, which was making it a little bit difficult to do. It is officially the next day. My kitty is keeping me company. Yes, I am wearing the same headscarf, but I didn't want to do my hair today. But what I did want to do was show the process of my art that I did yesterday. I went back and I rewatched the videos that I had recorded yesterday morning before going about my day, and I realized that I said I was going to clean my office. I did not clean my office. I just did other stuff instead. But oh gosh, the lighting. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this is turning out. It technically could go this way, but I very much envision and drew it with the purpose of it being visualized horizontally like this. So, very cute. And then, process from my knitting. Look how cute! I'm making stripes. The only thing is, so I initially was planning on doing like a little mini bag. So I was gonna do it with 3 squares of stripes that are then put together and then a strap. But I think the size might be smaller than what I'm wanting. So maybe this is just kind of like my test, and then I'll do another one. I also don't know if I want the stripes to be narrower and flip between every 2 instead of every 4. Whoa, get off my art cat. I love you, but no. So we'll see, but thank you so much for watching. This was just really fun to do a little vlog. If no one is watching, that's fine, because it's my life and I get to look back on this when I'm like a little old grandma and be like, oh my gosh, I was so cute and I did really fun things with my day. So that's it. Just so you can see as well, the cats are keeping me company while I'm going through stuff. The weather has been beautiful today as well. She yearns for the outdoors.